Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do word problems from integer chapter, that is from exercise 1E. So while solving word problems, few things we have to see is the question itself. Okay, in the question the words are important to understand. Now see, the first question is by how much by how much does 5 exceed minus 5? So what is the meaning of this? By how much does 5 exceed minus 5? That means by how much this 5 is greater than this minus 5. So for that, what do we have to do? Suppose for an example, if I ask you by how much does 8 exceeds 3, then what you will do here? We'll do by how much 8 exceeds 3, we'll do here 8 minus 3. So there, how much it is? 8 minus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, by 5, 8 exceeds 3, isn't it? So in the same manner, here also we will do like that. So 5, so we can write here according to question. Okay, then we can write the expression 5 minus this number, negative number, inside the bracket. As this is a negative number, we are writing inside the bracket. So after opening the bracket, the sign changes, minus into minus, plus and 5. So here simply we have to add these two numbers, 5 plus 5, 10. So therefore what we can write? 5 exceeds minus 5 by how much? 10. Yes or no? Now question number 3 I am doing for you people. What must be subtracted from 7 to get minus 6? Okay, this one is as an example. So what must be subtracted from 7 to get minus 6? So we have to see that number which is subtracted from 7 and we are getting minus 6, isn't it? So here according to question we can write the expression as 7 minus this number minus 6. Suppose as an example, let us see what must be subtracted from. Let us take the help of algebra. Suppose I am writing 7 here, okay, and what must be subtracted? Suppose x must be subtracted from this to get minus 6. Now if we solve for x, okay, we'll get the value, okay, like here minus x is remaining here only. Let us take the number that side. This is a positive number, while going to that side it becomes a negative number. Yes or no? So both are negative number. Here we are adding 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13. So 13, 6, here is 13, minus 6, minus 7 becomes 13, bigger number is 7, the sign becomes minus, minus x is here, this minus minus gets cancelled, so x is 13, isn't it? This is algebraic method. But here we are doing integers, so we have to write in this manner, minus 7 minus minus 6. Then only we will get that number which is going to subtract from 7 and to get minus 6, isn't it? So here minus, this to minus becomes plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is how much? 13. We are getting the same answer here. Yes or no? Is it clear? Next number is question number 5. Question number 5, we are doing exercise 1E. So I'm writing the question. The sum of two integers is minus 11 if one of them is 5, then find the other. Very easy question, isn't it? The sum means the addition of two integers is minus 11 and one of them is 5 and we have to find the other, isn't it? So let us write first of all the given things to understand the sum easily. So from the question, it's given sum of two integers is minus 11. So we are using, in place of is, equal to sign. One of them is 5. So easily one can understand other number will be this, other number will be this minus the sum, isn't it? One number minus the sum. So the other number or other integer will be equal to minus 11, the sum minus the number. This is a positive number, minus is from our operation only. Okay, so here is minus 5. Both are negative numbers. Here we have to add, minus into minus is what? Plus. So we are adding it. 11 and 5, 16 we are getting. Bigger number is 11. The sign of this bigger number will remain here, minus 16. So in this manner, this is the solution. Now next question I am taking is question number 7. So here a story like a shopkeeper bought a pen for rupees 75, a book for rupees 240, and a pencil box for rupees how much? 46. Now he sold the pen for rupees 81, book for rupees 255, and the pencil box for rupees 40. Now question is, what was his gain or loss? This type of question also we can see in the chapter integers. So solution of this one is easy. Okay, first of all we will write the given things, isn't it? What are the given things here? Cost of pen is equals to rupees 75. Cost of a book, a pen, a book, rupees 240. Cost of a pencil box is equals to rupees 46. Now we have to calculate total cost price, which includes all these three. So rupees 75 plus rupees 240 and rupees 200, no, rupees 46. So altogether add here 75, 240, 46. How much we are going to get? 1 here, add it, 6, 3, we'll get 361 rupees, 361. Now according to question, what is going on? Again selling is going on selling pen, selling pen for rupees 81, selling book for rupees 255, and selling pencil for rupees how much? 40. Here it is given. So now again we have to calculate total selling price. So that means that is the sum of these three, rupees 81 plus rupees 255 plus rupees 40. So the sum will be equal to what? Again you need to add this very carefully. Don't do any mistake while addition and subtraction. So this will become 6, 7, 3, 376 we are getting. We are getting rupees 376. Okay. So we can write 376. Okay. Now here we have to use our brain to get the answer. Now this is cost price and this is selling price. Okay. Normally also, well, we go in market, we buy things, isn't it? We transact the money with the shopkeeper. So we have got the little knowledge about these all things. So cost price is 361 and selling price is 376. Okay. So which one is greater? Selling price is greater, isn't it? So when selling price is greater, we are getting profit. So profit and gain is same thing. So therefore we can write profit is equals to what? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. So selling price is rupees 376 and cost price is your rupees 361. So while subtracting we are getting rupees how much? This one is, you can do here in the rough. How much we are going to get? 5, 1. So rupees 15 is the answer. Yes or no? Now question number 9. Question number 9. Let us write the question. During a month, the average day temperature of a desert region was 43 degrees centigrade and the average night temperature was minus 6 degrees centigrade. Now find the difference between the average day temperature and the average night temperature. So first of all, we'll write given things from the question. So let us see, during a month, the average day temperature. The word average you should understand, okay, and average night temperature. Two things are given, average day temperature given and average night temperature given, and question is asking the difference between average day temperature and average night temperature. So okay, so there are two temperatures given. So let us write given average temperature of daytime is equals to 43 degree centigrade, average temperature of night time is equals to minus 6 degree centigrade. Now it is asking the difference between, so therefore let us calculate the difference between. Difference between means what? We have to subtract difference of temperature, which is equal to 43 degree centigrade minus 6 degree centigrade, because we have to subtract and this temperature is in minus, so which is inside this bracket. Now in this step we will open the bracket, minus into minus is plus 6 degree centigrade. Now what is remaining, we have to add only 43 plus 6 is how much, 49 degree centigrade. So therefore the difference of temperature we got is 49 degree centigrade, isn't it? Next question we are going for is question number 11. Now here a man Matthew had no money to pay for his house rent of rupees 14,240. His 5 friends decided to contribute equally to pay for the rent. How much will each friend pay? So I think you have understood the question. Okay, this is the figure and it should be divided by 5, isn't it? Then only we will get equal amount to be paid by his friend. Okay, so first of all let us write the given things in the question. House rent is how much? House rent is equal to rupees 14,240. Number of friends is equals to 5. So our logic is there that if we divide it, then we are going to get equal amount, yes or no? So we have to divide this figure by 5. So you can do in the rough work the division work. 14,240 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Here 4 from up 2, and 5 8s are 40. 2 comes here again, and from up 0 and 5. No, here from up 4 comes. 4 comes. So 5 4s are 20. 4 comes here, 0 comes here, 5 8s are 40. So we are getting the answer as rupees 200 and 2848. So one has to pay 2848 to clear this house rent. Yes or no? So here we have completed integer chapter. In my next video, I'll come with another chapter. Thank you.